If you're an Irish mommy or daddy and you would love a phrase that you can use every single day with the kids, then this is a really, really easy one and you're going to get a lot of use out of it. I have to say stay there a scoilge. So stay there in Irish is fan an sin. Fan an sin. If you're not Irish or you just wonder where the pronunciation comes from, the A in fan is a short A because we have a long A with fada. So this is more like an O in this case. And then in an sin, again, the A is the same, but the S is pronounced like an SH, and that's because it comes beside an I. So when the S comes beside an I or an E, we'd say it's slender, queel, and it gets an SH sound instead of an S. So that's why it's fan an sin. Fan an sin, wait there. Pop down more info in the caption if you'd either love really easy phrases and to be able to pass on the language to your child, or if your child's in a grade school to be able to keep up with them, and also where you can learn all about pronunciation in a really, really easy way. Long go full.